Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola S50 Neo to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by tapping on OK. Then click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top. Pick all of your files to transfer, and when you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the ad. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!